Anady Top is an outstanding company in interior soft adornment design, has its own design team and factory of assembly line. Its designers attend international first-class product announcement convention and develop products of perfect interpretation for current home textile trend. This time, we will bring you a new series of curtain products. Find the beauty of the seasons. Spring. April's drizzle bring fresh air, stretch blue-green bush leaves, keep people awakened and good mood. Brown-yellow leaves and small fruit reflect the whole life cycle. Summer. Warmly blossom flowers send forth fragrance. Yellow honeybirds are dancing in between. Brilliant flower styles and rich colors with light shade effects. The fabric materials not only can keep indoor temperature, but also keep away the strong sunlight and UV light. Fall. Glossy stripped jacquard fabric. A cool autumn wind blows. Green maple leaves. Yellow maple leaves are flying in the sky, like a swarm of butterflies dancing in the breeze. Winter. With gray-purple color trees, making use of deep and shallow tree shades to exhibit the broadness of the winter. And with dot silver process, the designer let the observer to visualize the glossy silver-white spots and the crystal clear of winter snowflakes. The whole pattern expressed the elegance and depth of the winter. Every style of Anady's song of four seasons displays different natural beauty. Will surely add special scenery for your room. Curtain head has 4 styles: grommet top, rod pocket, plain top, and double pleated. Our company can totally customize your order, which one is best for you to buy.